What is up, YouTube, and welcome to episode 55 of the Chaos Daily. I've been up to all sorts today. Printing, modeling, CAD, painting. More on that in a minute. Yeah, so short episode today. I'm still busy. I've got lots of stuff to do, so I can't spend too much time on the Chaos Daily today. I am sorry. But that's just the way it is. I've got to do the awesome stuff, and the awesome stuff requires time. So let's get into it. I have been working on the albatross, as always. I now have 2 of the wing segments, the wing sections modeled up and done for STLs, and they can be printed whenever. But I'm still printing the mounting bracket thing to hold the albatross where it's sitting at the moment. So that's going to be tomorrow that print finishes. I'm also reprinting the ailerons because, well, they turned out really good actually, but I'm still not happy. 3mm carbon revival rod doesn't quite fit in there. I had to drill them out, and even then it's still a little bit and then on top of that, when I was doing the curing process, I forgot to go out there and flip them over. So the UV lights were on the one side for ages, and I don't know if you can see that, but she's got a little bit of a banana to her. Yeah, they're all a bit bananaed. This one's really bananaed. So I'm reprinting them. I made some changes in CAD to accommodate the hole size for the carbon fiber rod. I do believe it has something to do with the curing settings that I'm using in Slicer. So I am using slightly higher curing times, which means these small diameter holes or anything like that that are perpendicular to the exposure plate, they get a little bit overexposed, and you'll see a bit of shrinkage in those sort of holes. Otherwise, the diameters and everything is still all good everywhere else. It's just whenever you get to small size holes. So yeah, this is reprinting. Wasn't too happy with it, but they did turn out really nice and strong. There's good structure on the skin. The spacing on the ribs is good. I'm liking that. So, what else? Just chatting in Discord with my Patreon exclusive Discord. Yeah, if you want to join in there, we talk about all sorts of stuff. Jotham is busy working on some really cool stuff with his flying wing. He's working on a Prental. Very cool. He's dialing in the PID settings and stuff, and some really interesting stuff going on there. So yeah, jump on Patreon if you can. You can come and join us in the Discord exclusive server, and we talk about all sorts. I talk about upcoming projects, current projects. I post stuff constantly in there that is exclusive for my patrons. So, I am painting again. This is probably not a very well known fact, but I paint miniatures. If the display cabinet full of Necrons was in dead giveaway. But my mum asked for something. She asked for one of the GROOT flower pot heads, one of these guys. And I printed it the other day with these ailerons. And yeah, he turned out really good. I'm quite impressed. So I'm busy just painting him up for my mum. Let's get a nice closer look there for you guys. Getting there. I've got a few more things to do, a bit more weathering, get in some details, especially on the face and that. The eyes I've got liquid mask on the eyes, so when I did my base coat in black, I then put the liquid mask on the eyes, so when I'm done with everything else, I just peel that liquid mask off. His evil black eyes will be right there. And I'll just put a gloss coat on them so they're nice and glossy. But yeah, he's really getting there. So I'm quite happy with this so far. Still a lot more work to do. I want it to look like this picture. Yeah, so we'll get there. Anyways, so yeah, we'll leave it there for today's episode. Not really much to go over. Like I said, I've been very busy doing the painting, doing CAD stuff, keeping an eye on the printer, printing stuff, trying to deal with this not quite working but being almost perfect. It's very frustrating, but this is part of the learning experience. So we'll have to just reprint it, and it's not like it takes long. And I've got something else printing, and they don't take up too much space on the print bed, so not a huge loss. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not, go check out my Patreon, and you can. Like I said, you can join the Discord channel and hang out with me and do the other guys, and we talk about all sorts of really cool technical stuff. And as always, I've been Chaos. And until next time, expect the unexpected, and I will see you guys later. And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.